From the Newport News Fire Department Swiftwater Rescue Team in Texas, helping with the flood recovery efforts. Newport News Fire Chief Wesley sent 13 News Now pictures of that team. He says 7 members of his department began work Monday morning in Kerrville, Texas. The team is focused on search and recovery following the deadly floods. He said the work requires mental toughness and long hours, but he's incredibly proud getting daily updates of their work.
Our team is faced with a lot of obstacles. It's also very hot, very warm conditions down there. Wildlife, as you can imagine, search and debris piles has some wildlife in there. And then the thought, of course, of as they're doing these searches, they're looking for people. They're trying to bring closure to a lot of those families down there.
Chief Rogers said the Newport News Swiftwater Rescue Team is expected to stay in Texas through next week.